Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can block a driver update on Windows 10. Now this is for driver updates that are giving you problems. So the first thing to do is open Device Manager and look for the device that the driver is for. Right click it and you can either uninstall the driver or check if you've got an older version that you can roll it back to. The point is to get rid of the problematic version from your system. Once you've removed the problematic driver, you need to download the Windows Update Show Hide app, and this is a Microsoft app that's built for this very specific purpose. Run the app and click Next, and on the first screen you're going to see this option that asks if you want to hide updates or show them. Click the Hide option and then the app is going to search for available updates. Once it finds an update, you can select it and click Next to hide it. The updates that it finds aren't just going to be driver updates, it's going to find all sorts of updates that are delivered through Windows updates. So be careful which ones you select and hide. After the driver version has been hidden, it will no longer install automatically to your system. If you've got other apps on your system that manage driver updates, make sure you've prevented them from updating drivers as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.